Hey everybody. Today is a special day, not only because I am going to do a clay mask on my hair and revive it, but today is my son's birthday. Yes, he turned 4 today, and I am doing a video. I am doing a video because yesterday we went to Castaway Bay, and baby, that chlorine did some damage on mommy's hair, right? So we celebrated his birthday yesterday. Today we came back home, and we, went to go see Sonic, and now he's with his auntie, and they went to go do dinner, and he's with his cousins, so he's having fun. So it's like, how can I revive my hair? I know, a clay mask, bentonite clay mask. All right, so yeah. So this is like something that I used. I only used it once. But I saw like reviews on it, and I liked what it did for my hair, so it was actually like an awesome thing to use. But just so you guys see, this is what you see it. This is what I use. I bought this from Whole Foods. Oh, I'm lying. I bought this from Magic Beauty. Okay, the beauty supply store. I saw it in Whole Foods and thought about it, but it was too much. So that's why I went to the beauty supply store. It's $7.99 there. Well, it was. I don't know how much it is now. But yeah, so I'm going to use this. This is what it looks like, just so that you guys can see. Y'all see that? Yeah, that's good stuff. So when you're using this, and the way that I mix it, I use bentonite clay, you see? And I also use apple cider vinegar. This is the organic apple cider vinegar. Yeah, so I'm going to use this. And it says like you cannot use any metals or anything. So I took off my earrings, I took off my necklace, I have on my little cape because I don't want to mess up my clothes. And I also have these two things, like a plastic bowl, like $1 at the hair store. The same is for this. Yeah, when we used to do relaxers, we don't do those no more. But yeah, $1 at the hair store. Yeah, you can use that. But I'm just gonna use these things. Now the great thing about it is that you can do like whatever consistency that you want. Actually, I'm forgetting something. I'll be back. Give me a minute. All right, my bad. I forgot my spray bottle. So in this spray bottle, I actually have water and what else do I have in here? There is water and what the heck is in here? I'm sorry, excuse me. What is in here? Aloe vera juice. Water and aloe vera juice. So you don't want your hair extremely wet for this, but I mean, you can. It's definitely okay, but you just want it to be manageable, And right now, my hair is extra dry. Let me just show y'all what it's looking like right now. It's extra dry, and whew, baby, you see, so I don't want to put that stuff in my hair and not be able to kind of go through it, and yeah, because right now, it's really dry. So I'm gonna have to spray my hair with some of this water and whatnot, and we're just gonna get to it. So I am going to put some, put some of this clay in here. See? And I like to put a nice amount in here just because I don't like to make it over multiple times. And you will see, like, once you add, like, this is like a science project, it's crazy. But once you add your apple cider vinegar, you'll see that it's going to start fizzing up. So I'm going to show you a little bit. So look. Y'all see that science project? Or you hear it at least? Yeah, you see? If you hear Paw Patrol, that's because one kid stayed behind. Yeah, one kid stayed behind. So he is in my room watching Paw Patrol. Just because, you gotta keep the kids happy. Every kid might not want to go. Someone stayed. Yeah. Don't like that consistency. So we're gonna put a little bit more in. And I like mine's like, not like necessarily soupy, but I do like it to be that was a close one. I do like it to be thick, on the thicker side. So we are just going to stir this. And the great thing about this is that you can add more if it's not to the consistency. So if you get it too, excuse me, if you get it too soupy, you can always add more clay in order to thicken it up. So that is perfectly fine. Come on, bubbles, get out the way. We gotta see what we're working with. Look, all these freaking bubbles. Look. That's the crazy thing about this. Look, let me turn this light down a little bit, just so y'all can see. Ooh, it's not good. But, you see it? We don't want all those bubbles. So, okay. So it's starting to look a little better, and I just want to make sure we got it all in. So I took out, like I said, I took out all my earrings. I took out my, let me turn this light up a little bit more so you can see me. But yeah, I took off my earrings. I took off my necklace. I took off my ring, because I didn't want this stuff getting on anything and messing up. So yeah, this is, I think this is a pretty good, decent consistency. So you can see, you see? Yeah, just enough to get through there. Look, I'm always forgetting something. Let me get the clips. Ugh. Sheesh, if my hair wasn't attached, baby, I would lose it. I would lose it. All right, so yeah, so I got 3 clips. I'm going to section my hair, and I don't care like how neat. Ooh, baby, twist this up. Ooh, my hair is dry. It's crazy how dry my hair is. So you'll see, I'm gonna put this into 2 sections. So I broke it up into 2 sections, and I don't care like how neat they are. Like, I could care less. I'm just here to get the job done. So, I mean, technically you should not be like really working with your hair and it's not pliable. So that's why the water is here. So I'm going to spray. And you don't want it sopping wet. And again, like, you can get a spray bottle from the hair store. But you'll see, I'm just going to spray it. Work the water in. I am going to go to the ends. Whew, it's much more manageable. And I use aloe vera juice and water as a mixture because aloe vera is really good for your hair. It's really good and healthy anyway. So I just like to, you know, try to incorporate it into like my routine in general. So like when I do my wash and goes or anything that I do with my hair and it's wet state, you know, or I need it to be wet, I always use that. So now you see my hair is a little bit more manageable and soft. And we are going to use my little concoction. So we're going to use some of that. And, ooh, I should have put something on that. Okay. All right, cool. So we're just going to say, forget that. I hope you didn't hear it. But yeah, we're just going to say, forget it. I'm just going to put some in my hair, hand, and this can get a little messy. So that's why I really encourage you guys to, I encourage you to put like something on, like maybe some clothes that you don't care about, or just something for us to, you don't care about getting it dirty, because this is not a clean job, you know. Make sure you get those ends. Those ends are important. So, and this stuff dries fast, so you'll see, like, as you're applying it to your hair, like, your hair gets, like, really stiff and dry. So that's why I say, like, don't put it on your hair while your hair is already dry. You know, like, because you want to be able to move your hair. You want to be able to separate it. You don't want it to break. You know, 'cause we all know about breakage, don't we? Especially us 4C girls who hair tangles up on itself. You know, and we get knots and stuff, things that we have no control over. You know, unless we take care of our hair a little better. You know. But no matter how, okay, look, I was about to just go in. I was thinking about it, you know, because no matter how much you take care of your hair, it still happens. Okay, sorry, I was having a moment. All right, but you see, that? You can see my curls already in that one section, right? So I'm gonna keep it going, y'all, and I'll be back to show you the rest. Peace. All right, I'm back. If you hear a crying baby, it's because he really wants juice. But just so y'all can see how this went. All right, now I'm about to do this last piece. Stretch it out, make it pliable. Crazy thing is my hair is like really shedding too. Like, you know, it's like really shedding. I need a haircut like that. Right. And then I'm gonna go through my hair too to see if there's any dry spots, and then I'm gonna wait until this is all dry. All right. And you can already see my curls coming back to life. I feel like, whew. Like most of my hair is almost dry too. Like just, if you can't see, like a lot of it is already dry. All right, I'm back like I never left. But yes, look y'all. Look at the curls, can you see them? Let me see, why does this keep on doing that? Let me get up close. All right, that give you, see them? Yeah. This light, you gotta figure out this lighting. But yeah, this, sorry, I'm trying to get perfect lighting right now. This is how it came out, y'all. My curls. They definitely feel better. I'm about to figure this light out because this ain't working. But anyway, yeah, so my hair feels much better. It feels softer and all that jazz. Yeah, it feels much better. And you see that color? It's deep and dark. And now I'm just going to go straight into like my LCO method. I'm probably going to do a two strand twist. Yeah, I'm tired. Sorry. Long day, very tired. But yeah, I definitely like how this came out. I definitely am very happy about the results. My hair feels soft. It feels definitely better than it did. You know, I think my next step will probably be a protein treatment down the line. Yeah, you'll see what's going on. All right, see you guys.